exposing the coolest tech in 2024. This year is packed with innovations that will blow your mind and change the way you interact with the world around you. You won't believe what's on the list. From wearable tech to portable power solutions, these gadgets are set to revolutionize our daily lives. First up, the Smart Glasses X2. These aren't just any glasses, they are a gateway to a new dimension of augmented reality. Imagine having all the info you need, from weather updates to social media notifications right in your line of sight. These glasses offer real-time translations, navigation, and notifications. Whether you're traveling abroad or navigating a new city, the Smart Glasses X2 have got you covered. Next, we have the Pocket Drone 3000. This tiny yet powerful drone is perfect for capturing those breathtaking aerial shots. It's like having a mini photographer in your pocket. Capture stunning aerial shots and videos effortlessly. With its compact design, you can take it anywhere and launch it in seconds. Third, the ultra-slim solar charger. This isn't just any charger, it's a game changer for those always on the go. Because who has time to wait for their phone to charge? This charger is ultra-portable and charges your devices quickly using solar power. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just out and about, the ultra-slim solar charger ensures you never run out of power. It's eco-friendly and efficient, making it a must-have for 2024. Fourth, the SoundMaster Wireless Earbuds. Experience concert-quality sound without the wires. They offer noise cancellation and long battery life. And finally, the E-Ink Notepad. This isn't just a digital notepad, it's a revolution in how we take notes and organize our thoughts. Say goodbye to paper and hello to endless digital notes. This notepad mimics the feel of writing on paper and syncs with your devices. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves to jot down ideas. The E-Ink Notepad is lightweight, durable, and ensures you never lose your notes again. Time to upgrade your tech game. These gadgets are not just cool, they are practical and designed to make your life easier and more connected. Catch you in the future. Stay tuned for more tech updates and innovations that will shape the world of tomorrow. Welcome back. Now that we've given you a quick overview of the top 5 must-have gadgets for 2024, it's time to dive deeper into each one and explore their features and benefits in detail. First up, the Smart Glasses X2. These glasses are not just about augmented reality, they are about enhancing your everyday experiences. Imagine traveling to a foreign country and having real-time translations right in your line of sight. Whether it's street signs or conversations, the Smart Glasses X2 break down language barriers effortlessly. And the navigation feature? Say goodbye to getting lost in new cities. These glasses provide turn-by-turn directions, making exploring new places a breeze. Plus, with notifications integrated directly into your vision, you'll never miss an important update again. Next, let's talk about the Pocket Drone 3000. This tiny powerhouse is perfect for both amateur and professional photographers. Its high-quality camera ensures stunning aerial shots and videos, capturing moments from unique perspectives. The best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just unfold, launch, and start filming. Its portability means you can carry it anywhere, ensuring you're always ready for that perfect shot. Moving on to the ultra-slim solar charger. For those constantly on the move, this charger is a game changer. It harnesses the power of the sun to charge your devices quickly and efficiently. No more searching for outlets or carrying bulky power banks. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry, and its eco-friendly nature means you're doing your part for the environment. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just out and about, the ultra-slim solar charger ensures you stay connected. Now let's delve into the SoundMaster Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds are designed for the true audiophile. Experience concert-quality sound without the hassle of wires. With advanced noise cancellation, immerse yourself in your favorite tracks without any distractions. And with a long battery life, enjoy hours of uninterrupted music, calls, and more. Perfect for workouts, commutes, or just relaxing at home. Finally, the E-Ink Notepad. This isn't just a digital notepad, it's a revolution in how we organize our thoughts. The writing experience mimics that of paper, providing a natural feel. But the real magic lies in its syncing capabilities. All your notes are automatically synced to your devices, ensuring you have access to them anytime, anywhere. Lightweight and durable, the E-Ink Notepad is perfect for students, professionals, and creatives alike. These gadgets are not just about cool tech, they're about enhancing your life, making everyday tasks easier, and keeping you connected. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tech updates. Catch you in the future.